Electric motors provide instant torque, which means electric trucks can accelerate quickly and handle with ease. Electric trucks are now capable of towing, making them suitable for tasks. As the demand for electric trucks grows, several automakers are leading the way within 2025. Let's take a look at some of the 1. 14,000 pounds, and 2. 10,000 pounds, and 3. 11,000 pounds, and One of the biggest driving forces behind the rise of electric trucks is the environmental impact. Over there, electric trucks can contribute to reducing, especially when paired with for charging. Electric trucks represent a significant shift toward reducing the overall of the hauling industry. Electric trucks have, which can lead to significant savings over time, especially for companies. In many areas, businesses operating face strict fines. By switching to electric trucks, they can and be part of the Electric trucks aren't just for commercial hauling, they're also gaining traction in the world. As electric trucks offer more power, better, and they're becoming the go-to choice for enthusiasts. Electric trucks provide an opportunity to explore the great outdoors while leaving a minimal environmental footprint. They're perfect for and anyone looking to get off the beaten path in a more way. Despite their electric trucks still face several. While electric trucks may offer, their initial is often higher compared to diesel trucks, which can make it challenging for some businesses to make the switch. Despite these challenges, the is evolving rapidly, and by 2025, solutions to these obstacles will likely be in place. As continues to evolve, electric trucks will achieve, enabling. As more manufacturers enter the market and the cost of electric trucks will likely decrease, making them more accessible to businesses of all sizes. In conclusion, electric trucks represent the future of hauling, offering, and, by 2025, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content about the future of sustainable transportation.